English tip by tip.
Tip 65. Air vehicles. Airship. Aeroplane. Jet. Helicopter. Rocket. Air balloon. Tip 65. Exercise. Complete. At Barcelona Airport, BCN, you can see a variety of aircraft, including Airbus, Boeing models, and aeroplanes. You can also see frequent helicopters. Traffic there. Anyway, no hot air balloons can be seen at Barcelona Airport, as it's not permitted over Barcelona due to airspace restrictions. We can see numerous air balloons activities in nearby areas like Naya and Valles regions.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.